great. Great price, great value. Very nice boutique hotel. Hotel is located next to İstanbul Street. Good location to enjoy sightseeing and Istanbul rich nightlife. Hotel is clean and staff is very friendly. Maybe for some people little noisy, but nothing bad. For me it was not a problem. I would definitely come back to this hotel. Want to stay here again and again. 1. Location is superb. Just adjacent to İstanbul Street. 2. Cleanliness at its best. No one can expect better than this. They even fold our clothes. 3. Staff behavior is amazing. They are so friendly and helpful that you can ask for. 4. Room is very cozy. It has all the amenities you need. Exceptional. It has a corridor as well. Though it's not very big, but we've enjoyed our stay here very much. Last of all, no one can expect better than this with this budget. Smiley face. Central and value. I came to Istanbul early morning and staff helps me with places where can I wait for my check-in. Also care to early check-in. I'm very grateful for personal customer relationship. Best regards, Nome. Best place to stay around the area. Pera and Beyoğlu area are very special, yet a lot economic hotels have lost a lot from their quality because of the COVID-19 pandemic and the shift of the tourist from Europeans to Middle Easterns and Arabics. So I was a little worried as I, as a mother, would travel with my 14-year-old daughter. But all my suspicions were gone as I was greeted by the kind and helpful receptionist. The hotel is very comfortable, with rooms even better than how they look in the photos. You can reach the hotel both from İstiklal Road where cars are not allowed and also from the Pera area where there is a multiple floored parking lot, which is very important if you arrive by car. Or you can find a taxi from there. There is a elevator. Clean sheets, nice decoration, nice newly decorated bathroom, hot water and shower with no problem, adequate heating in February. Very close to Galata Tower by foot. Close to metro station. So if you want to enjoy the Pera area and don't want to pay to 5-star hotels, Nexthouse is a very nice catch. Next time I will definitely stay here without any doubt.